Hi everyone, in this video we will learn how to download and install Quantum Espresso in Ubuntu. We will complete all these installations in 3 steps. In the first step, we will create some important libraries and the Fortran environment. These are the necessary prerequisites for Quantum Espresso installations. So run all these commands one by one. Let's start. After completing the first step, we are moving toward the second step. In the second step, we will download the Quantum Espresso from the official website of Quantum Espresso. Then we will compile it. Let's start. Open the browser and go to the official website of Quantum Espresso. Go into the download section, scroll down and click on the GitHub. Here 6.8 is the most latest version of Quantum Espresso. For downloading, scroll down here. Click on the Quantum Espresso 6.8 release pack. Click on the OK button. Quantum Espresso has started to download. Now for the installation of Quantum Espresso, open the terminal. Run this command for extracting the Quantum Espresso zip file. After extracting the all files of Quantum Espresso, go into the Quantum Espresso directory by this command. Now for the configuration of Quantum Espresso, run this command .configure. As you can see here that Quantum Espresso configured successfully. Now run this command, enter Y and then press enter. Now for the configuration, run this command .configure. This program configured successfully. Now run the command make all. The Quantum Espresso installation have completed. Now for the confirmation, go into the bin directory. As we can see here that pw.x, ph.x and dos.x and other packages of Quantum Espresso have installed. After completing the second step, we are moving towards the third step. In the third step, we will download and install the mpich. Mpich is a message passing interface which is necessary for the parallel computing. Let's start. Open the terminal and run this command. This command will download the mpich from their official website. After completing the downloading of mpich 3.4.2, for the extracting of the zip file of mpich 3.4.2, run this command. After extracting the files, go into the mpich 3.4.2 directory by using this command. Run this command .configure for the configuration of mpich 3.4.2. After the configuration of mpich 3.4.2, for the complete installation, run this command. Enter the password and press enter. Our all installation have completed and it will be working well inshallah.